Hi guys, I'm Agnes. Welcome to my channel. For those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. And for those who haven't, do like my videos if you find them useful or entertaining. So I've received some DMs on Facebook asking about how Sea-Doo is like, how it works. So I'll take you on a tour and see for yourself how accessible and how convenient it is for angler to be using it. Okay guys, so this is the fish pro that we have been renting from Sea-Doo. So I'll show you what it's like inside here. So they come in with a fish navigation system, like a fish finder, and then they have this huge compartment here. So if you have not seen our last video of Pulau Hantu camping trip, we actually managed to put everything inside this compartment. And they have like little nettings here that you can put your pliers and such. So they also have this waterproof area that you can put your phones, your keys here. It's very easily accessible for the riders here. And so the footrest will be facing inwards, and this is more comfortable and stable, so when the boat is rocking, when the seas are choppy, you don't really feel it as much, and then you have this balance there, the control is there. So moving on to the ice box, there's this ice box here that comes with the Sea-Doo. It's relatively large, so you have good catches that day, no issues about where to put your fishes. They have a measurement ruler if you really want to compete how big your fishes are, and netting here also for your pliers, for your scissors. And they have 3 adjustable rod holders, so you can just clip it off here and you can shift it anywhere else if you want to. So for those who like trolling mode, the jet ski is really very convenient for you. And even this part on top, you can put your fishes, you can put your live baits here, you can put anything that you want on this board. It's very durable. You can even cut and slice fish here if you want to. And they have this link system here that you can put extra tackle boxes if you want additional storage for your jet ski. If you remove the ice box from the Sea-Doo, there's this white platform that you can stand and do your casting if you are very comfortable on the jet ski itself. They were splashing there, you know. Look, there's like a Nemo there. The black one. Okay, so this is the end of the tour. So overall, the Sea-Doo is good for fishing. It's stable, and it can really go to shallow areas that a boat cannot. You can even park it on the beach. So yeah. Okay, so Singapore Sea-Doo has given the viewers of my channel a very special promo. So for every 15 hours that you sign up for, you get a 3 hours additional on top of that package, and that saves you $120 of your own money. So remember to flash this code to enjoy this benefit. So once again, I would like to thank Singapore Sea-Doo for sponsoring this video. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!